what's another hue?
All right, YouTube. Part 2 of CB7 shit. All right, YouTube. Y'all can see me? Cool. What's going on, YouTube? Joseph come back at y'all with another lit video, man. As y'all can see, we got the CB7 Accord in the back, the Honda Easy, the project build, and I kind of already got to it with my dog. I'm not gonna lie, M18 impacts are very useful, bro. But anyways, in that last video, y'all seen how I was saying that impact that I just got, it was pretty good. It couldn't get off the fucking axle nut. As you can see, this is the old axle. This shit is cooked. As y'all can see, like, oh my gosh, this thing is gone. So these are the new axles here. You feel me? So I would tell them where to get it, but I can't be putting them on Steve like that. I posted some picture on my gram and someone was like, on the boxes alone. I'm like, damn, they know. I'm pretty sure since it's a manual, it doesn't matter which side you use because they're both the same size.
Cap.
Now with the album out, are you paying attention to what?
As you can see, this is the old one. I don't know why my brightness is looking so bad, but this is the new one, guys. So a lot better, bro. Like, this is cooked. Look at that shit, y'all. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Hondeezy. Sheesh. It came with a new axle nut too, which is really cool. All right, y'all. So I can't really see what's going on, but right now I'm just lining up the axle. They're all kind of cooked.
All the bushes.
They're cooked. Y'all want to get the axle hand tight, y'all? Make sure y'all get it hand tight from the bottom. Yo, this one's really cooked though. Yeah. Yo.
Alright, torque this back.
Yo. Torque the spec. How much battery your shit got? Enough.
Yeah, we're chilling.
12.36 is crazy.
Hey, bro. Everybody tell me 12 I'm crazy for every 12 point, but my shit is, hey, I don't.
Your shit work though. I know. There's a smarter way to do that. So there's a smarter way. Oh. Nope, not that. Nah. Oh. Just torque to motherfucking spec. Just like that. One side is done. Wow. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I kind of really didn't see the whole process to this side, but it's fine though. Just stick around. See my gun right there? The little fucking Facebook Marketplace $80 John. Good. Get your little Uggs in. Gun off a few lugs, fam. It's not no M18, but like nothing.
It was already loose and don't think we're cracking.
Facts.
Taking more shit out. The only thing disconnect the harness from.
A lot of you like, bro, why the fuck would you do that to me, dog?
Like, you need to put cotter pins in.
Fuck them cotter pins, dog. All a cotter pin tell me is that they're not fucking. They're not confident in their work. You got the 17. Let me see this. The fuck. This shit's
like nothing happened. Like, all right, let me bop this shit. I'm gonna see if you want to get up.
there it is.
And then the lower. Oh.
Hell no. Oh. Lift up. Let me see. Hell no.
Don't you see probably pop and separate?
Damn.
Yeah, that's a bit.
Motherfucker. Hold on, let me get the pry bar. Where the fuck can I get in there?
No. If anything, you'll bridge the ball joint.
That's what I'm saying.
That's the scary part.
Shit, like,
Man, they keep bashing this shit.
shit.
Okay, let me. Ah, damn, bitch.
Other side.
Bro, it always be that shit, bro.
Other
This side
side
be like
is-
20 minutes, and then this side be like fucking an hour, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Still.
No?
Get a,
All right,
get a
pinch.
screwdriver, and then hit it with the screwdriver.
Fuck the screwdriver. I was about to. You seen that? I was gonna knock them bitches out with the pliers, and I'm like, damn, I ain't gonna have no leverage doing that motherfucker.
Oh, there you go. Another one out, chat. God damn, that one's pretty bad too.
And we ain't talking about bad bitches. We talking about bad axles. You heard? All right, y'all. Real quick. This is the comparison. All right, let me zoom y'all back a little. Cool. So as y'all can see, the old axles are out. This shit is cooked, bro. This one isn't. Well, no, yeah, they're cooked. I'm not gonna say. This one, obviously, the passenger side was a lot worse. This is the passenger side, and this one is a lot worse, as you can see. Gonna put it as an X. So, old axles are out. New axles are going in. Let me see something. Cause I gotta wanna do me a favor and hold this up.
Yo, man. Like you see, I feel like it's supposed to be more flush in with the thing.
No, it's definitely supposed to be in.
Love it, just tap it with a hand. Baby tap it. Because I feel like it's supposed to be way more flush.
Nah, it's supposed to be in, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's going in and then stopping.
I'm gonna take it out. Hold on.
Yeah.
Damn. Tough.
It's in. That's what I'm saying. It's chilling. It's just fucking not going in. I don't know why.
Let me just lube up the fucking the spine, the spleens.
Hopefully, maybe at least make it slightly better.
Yeah.
Slide in there.
That's not it.
Yeah, it's like a fucking straight spline.
Holy shit. No. It's always that other. Okay.
I feel like went way more.
Nah, it just slid in and got stuck at that same spot.
Unless was it tiny? I don't fucking know. I put it in gear to see through a hole.
It's in neutral right now?
Yeah, it's in neutral.
Head ass.
You see, that's stop stuff. You can like twist it.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, bro, why the fuck the axle's not going in? Head ass. Alright, bet. Remember how earlier in the video I had stated that since it's a manual, both sides are the same. I lied, bruh. I was capping. You feel me? They're the same in terms of length, but they are not the same. You feel me? So when you're taking them off, make sure you're paying attention, bruh, because I have to do the whole job twice. Oh my gosh.
Think about it. You got this shit out quick as fuck.
Nah, facts. Swap over. And I'm about to go test to see if this one go in now. Oh God. You need light? Got it? There we go. Perfect.
Oh, look at that one.
Look at that. Perfect.
You hear that click, nigga? Fuck. Tell me with this one.
Okay, bet. All right, yeah, might as well just finish one side real quick. 12 point again, huh?
Hey,
I'm gonna start calling you the 12 point bandit.
Hey, bro. My 12 points right.
You said
My
what?
12 points be doing me right, bro. They never do me dirty.
I see that.
I be talking to them nice.
No sarcasm neither, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, wrong way.
That, ladies and gentlemen, how you do an axle.
Yep. The right way. 4 hours later. Fuck! On the I-95. Oh, there it is. No?
No.
That wasn't the click? That's the same click. Was
You see, bro, it's
Nah, that's a
like
lot.
a fucking, yeah, you get me?
Hold on, let me see. You want to hold this or want to get out from under? And then hold this like this.
Oh, there you go! No more clicking!
No more locked doors!
Thank you, fool!
I
Pass
don't-
me the wire!
That's
Pass
the
me
wire!
Pass the wire! Pass the wire! I don't want no grilled cheese. I'm bilingual. There's a difference. No more locked doors.
That's gonna be the theme of the video. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's like, I've been using that shit.
Yo.
I look you abuse that shit.
No. You got the flathead from over there? Yeah, I think so. You know what I'm saying? It's like, bro, like, what the fuck? No more locked doors. You like that gun? For $80. You know what I'm saying? They'll take off any car lug you need, and obviously any engine. Well, yeah, I would say any engine bolt you need to. Just axle nuts. I ain't gonna lie, it'll probably get off this axle nut now.
Now, like fucking hit it with the Milwaukee.
Yeah, you feel me? That's what I'm saying though.
Like, bro, nigga, I'm not gonna lie. The day I get fucking ratchet, electric ratchet, I think it's over. If I get the day I get a Milwaukee fever.
I'm not saying I don't trust the Amazon Johnny, or not the Amazon, but I mean, yeah, nah, it's from Facebook. It's from Facebook Marketplace, and what's funny is I looked up that brand. The only thing I could find is something called CC, which is, it sounds the same, but looks exactly the same, but it has 2 different labels on the side of the gun. Fam, I'm finna get some wheels.